Hello everyone. If you want to move from ChatGPT to cloud or any AI to cloud, then it's very simple. Go to profile and then moves to capabilities, and here you will have button start import. So that's one, start import, and copy this prompt and paste to any AI model. I will use ChatGPT. So this is my new account in ChatGPT. So it has no data or context. So that's why it is showing some little data. There is no any data. So you have to copy this output and paste it in your Cloud AI and copy paste here, add to memory. So it will import all the memory. So in my case there was no memory. I was using fresh account for the testing. So you can also use it for any other AI models. Just you have to copy this and paste into your AI model and copy the output result and paste it here. So Cloud AI make it very easy to switch from any model to the cloud without losing memory, context or your details. So that was very simple.